I'm pretty sure this truck has more titanium than your race car. Titanium is forever. Quick little wrap up here. Got these awesome tanks. Coolant overflow tank. Air to water intercooler reservoir tank. Intercooler bracket. Upper coolant tube. Front radiator cover. Some fasteners, and the titanium inner fenders. All right, so we're out here at PRI at the Tycon booth. We're gonna go over some of the work that we did on Anthony's D-Max Swap 57 Chevy pickup. Starting off with the awesome intake right here. We did it all in one piece with a custom machined flange on the compressor side. And then we have over there, we'll have some titanium intercooler plumbing going into an air-to-water intercooler with some HD Vangeon clamps. Topping it off with titanium upper coolant tube, and then a custom titanium bracket, and we dimple dyed for the intercooler. We also have a fully custom titanium air-to-water reservoir. We got some custom bead roll titanium inner fenders with some awesome hardware to match it all up. And then we had to give it some more bling, so Anthony went ahead and got some upgraded billet hood hinges, nice heavy duty stuff from All American Billet. Titanium cover for the radiator as well. To top it off, we got a coolant overflow tank with some titanium AN fittings. And that about wraps it up. Thank you, Tycon, again for having us out here, and we'll see you next year. You talking to me? Huh? You talking to me? You got the wrong tone. You say that again, I'll stab you in the face with titanium soldering iron. God! Say hello to my little friend! Ah, get some! Ah! Don't you start with me. Yeah.